my wonderful little oddballs, it's Amy. I am home, I am back in the country, and other than this cold that will not leave me, I am feeling good, I'm feeling pumped, I am very excited for this video that I'm sharing with you today. So, let's go. Before we get into the main event, which, by the way, is gonna blow your minds, if you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably worked out by now that I've spent the last month traveling around Southeast Asia, and it was just phenomenal. I mean, I can't even put it into words for you guys. It was just the best experience. And for those of you who want to keep up to date with what went on while I was traveling around, I did vlog it. I've got about 5,000 hours worth of footage to go through, but I will be uploading those vlogs once a week on a Tuesday. So I'm going to continue to have regular Friday videos, and then on a Tuesday, bonus Southeast Asia vlog. So if any of you were wondering about that, that is the plan. You'll see lots of elephants and monkeys and all the things, but that's going to be on a Tuesday. So like I said, I am super pumped about today's video because I'm going to be sharing this brand new, super exciting product with you guys that I know will change my life, and I think it's going to change your lives too. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Jini Bikini, and I think this is a game changer for bikinis because we've all been bikini shopping, okay? It's not a good time. In fact, it's quite traumatic, and it's super hard to find a bikini that fits. There are just so many bikini related issues in my life that I'm not going to get into. This is not a free therapy session, but you've been there, right? We all know how hard it is to find a bikini that fits and looks good. Well, this is the one, and it is the most versatile, most wearable bikini that I've ever experienced, and I'm super excited to talk to you guys about it today. Okay, so the first thing you need to know about the Jini Bikini is that there is no specific top and specific bottom. There is just one piece that looks like this, and this can work as your top or your bottom. So that already sets you up for a bunch of different mix and match opportunities. So I have one black piece and then I have two leaf print pieces, and one of the best things about the Jini Bikini is how versatile it is, and with just a few different pieces you can just take these on holiday and it will look like you're wearing a different bikini every day. So I can mix and match. I can wear leaf print with leaf print, I can wear a leaf print top with black bottoms, black top with leaf print bottoms, or if I didn't want to use these as my bikini bottoms because they are tie sides, and I know a lot of people get self-conscious, they want something higher, I could even just go to H&M and New Look or somewhere like that and grab myself a black bikini bottom and just wear the top. So already there are a million different options here with just mix and matching the different prints. Another thing that makes the Jini Bikini super versatile, which doesn't apply to the prints that I chose, is that a lot of them are reversible. So maybe they'll be black on one side and then have a black and white print on the other side, or pink with flowers on the other side, so that every day of your holiday you can just keep switching and swapping over and you have like a million different bikinis in one. I think that's a genius idea. Luggage allowance is the devil, okay? So anything that we can have that will allow us to look like we have more than we actually have in our suitcase, I am on board with that. So you're probably wondering, how does this become a bikini? And the answer to that is, it becomes a bikini in pretty much any possible way that you can dream of, because the beauty of this is that you can tie it this way, that way, you can have it halter neck, you can have it with straps, you can have it like bandeau, you can do whatever you want with it. So you don't have just one type of bikini top, you have an infinite number of bikini tops. So I'm gonna go throw this on really quickly so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, because it's very difficult to visualize. So give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the bikini in one of the many ways that you can wear it. And you can see the bottoms are just standard tie-side bottoms. They're really cute, I like them. But like I said, if you want something that's a bit more covered, if you want like high-waisted or something that's a little bit less on show, then you could just buy the top and go and get some bottoms on the high street. Like, it's not a big deal. What I do love about the tie side bottoms is that I can tie them to fit my body. So I know that they're not going to be gaping, or they're not going to be like digging in. I'm not going to get that like muffin top situation when your bikini bottoms are a little bit too tight. So I love that, and I also love that about the top, because buying a bikini top that fits right is not just me, right? Like, it's a horrible experience and it's really hard. A couple of days ago, I had to throw out 3 really expensive bikinis because I'd lost weight and the tops were just like sagging on me, like they weren't holding anything in. So I'm not gonna get that problem with this bikini. Like, it's gonna grow with me, it's gonna shrink with me, it will just fit me no matter what I do. No matter how many donuts I eat, I can still wear this bikini. But like I said, this is just one of the many ways that you can wear the Jini Bikini top. I mean, that's the beauty of this bikini. You can wear it literally any way you want. Okay, so those are just some of the ways that you can wear the Jini Bikini that I just thought up off the top of my head just in like 5 minutes. But for now, I do need to take it off and stop prancing around the room in it and get back into my regular clothes. I just love this so much. I wish that I'd had this when I went backpacking last month. Like, if you are a traveler, if you are going on a big trip, if you are backpacking, this is what you need, because you could take 2 or 3 pieces and roll them up really tiny to stick in your backpack. They take up like no space. They probably take up less if you roll them nicely. And then compare that with what I did, which is I took 3 bikini tops, 3 bikini bottoms. The bikini tops were the kinds with the cups and the underwiring, so they take up a lot of space. You have to kind of like, they don't pack well because they've got that padding in them. It's just a nightmare, as opposed to just taking 2 or 3 of these. They're very light, they're very compact, and you have a million different bikini looks with them. And I honestly think that Jini Bikini is the next big thing. This time next year, next summer, I think everyone's going to be wearing them. I think they're going to be having them like in Topshop on New Look. Someone is going to come and say to Gianri, this is an epic idea, please make us 10 million of these. And they're going to be flying off the shelves, because what woman doesn't want a bikini that will always fit, always look good, it takes up no space, it takes up no weight in your suitcase, and you have a different style every day. Like, Instagram needs you to have a million different bikinis, okay? I've accepted this as fact. But with this, you can just pretend that you have a million different bikinis. Instagram doesn't need to know. And if you guys want to go and you want to pick up a Jini Bikini, you can go on the Jini Bikini website, which I will link down below. They are $34.99 US per piece. But at the moment, I just took a look on the website and they are selling for $24.99 US each, which is about £18. The other good thing is that every time you order a Jini Bikini, you support a small startup business that is run by a girl boss who is just trying to make her way in a man's world. Girls, we gotta stick together and support each other. If you guys have any comments on the Jini Bikini, maybe you've ordered one, maybe you're going to order one, maybe you're gonna order like 12 because that's how great they are, then let me know in the comments down below. I love to hear from you guys. If you love summer and you are enjoying this bikini weather as much as I am, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye!